Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy S8, and it is a very beautiful phone and it is also the flagship phone of 2017, and this phone comes with a 3000 mAh battery size with support a adaptive fast charging technology from Samsung. I know it is a very old technology from Samsung, and let's show you the display of this phone, and it is a very incredible display from Samsung and the flagship phone of 2017. And you can see it is a super AMOLED display with a quad HD resolution and battery size having a 14%. So I am interested to see how much time is required, and this phone is fully charged up to 100%. And let's show you the charger of this phone that actually comes with right out the box, and you can see it is a charger 2 ampere charger which support a fast charging. So and it is a very good charger, and let's show you the everything is close up in the background like always, and my always on display is on, and my personal SIM card is also here on this phone. So let's connect a cable, and it is a micro USB 2.0 cable, not micro USB. Okay, it is a type C cable. First Samsung S series which has comes with a type C cable. Let's connect a cable and a charger, and you can see it is showing me the charging is start, and I calculate the time on my little brother watch because I do not have any phone that actually calculate the time as a stopwatch. So I will be back after 30 minutes, and what is result after 30 minutes, I am very interested. So I will be back after 30 minutes and see you guys after exact 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 30 minutes and phone is charged about 58% and 43% is done in just 30 minutes. So I will be back after 1 hour, and it is a very fast charging technology right now from Samsung. Okay, and I will be back after 1 hour. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and phone is charged about 90% and 10% is remaining after this phone is fully charged. So I will be back after when phone is charged up to 100%. So see you guys after when phone is charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back after when phone is charged up to 100%, and time is having a 1 hour and 18 minutes, and it is not a very long journey, and another company is giving you a fast charging technology compared to the Samsung adaptive fast charging technology. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy S8 after 1.5 year, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Give the video thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.